actually cool. They support everybody. I might have to get a decal sticker. Might as well, right? Cool, wow. They got this. They got that. Listen, they got some stuff in here. But they got dog trees. Hold up. That's wicked. I try to get Nefelish, but she will not cooperate. My bad, get a little distracted, y'all. They got stuff though. They got lamb chops. Everybody, you ever seen lamb chops? Books for kids. It's pretty cool. They got these two. Where the police stuff at? Hey, we want to be discreet. You hear what I'm saying? I got money too. Nice list. The world's best jerky. Oh, come on now. Oh wait, why is it the best jerky? Alright, so y'all know y'all gotta come all the way to Highway 80 to come get some of their famous world's best jerky. They got venison, pork and elk, buffalo, gator. Come on now. Stop playing with them. Phone now. They get you right in here. They get you right. They got that hunter sausage too. Y'all know what that is. That's that wrapped meat, that red meat. Extensive selection. Stop playing with it. Bag it ready to go. Oh, snap. What is this? Super Giga Jerky. This is Arizona Jack. Y'all never met Arizona Jack. Right now, Arizona Jack. That's a big old piece of jerky. They got jerky everywhere. But then I see they got game room in here. I see they got a Wendy's in here. They got a TB, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut. They got an Orange Julius. All right, that sounds like my type of spot to go to. Premium fruit smoothies. Got out a coffee spot. They got a whole section with toys for kids. Look at that. Yeah, if you ever in Iowa or going in between, you gotta stop through here. You got to. It's like necessary. I know about them Iowa Hawkeyes. They got all the memorabilia in here for the fans. Literally a trucking museum. Just the Power Wagon. Just in case you've never seen one. Fishing gear. They sell Oakleys in here. They sell Ray-Bans. Hey, not y'all having we got designer? Yeah. Okay. Nice bags. They got gardening supplies in case you just want to take something with you. You might put that in the back of the trunk. People be like, late at night, they'd be like, oh, I seen a Yeti. Oh, wow. Now this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. I like that. I like that. I like that. Had to be able to talk to people. Well, I feel you. Never final. Keep calm and trust God. They look clean though. Oh, they sell trophies here. Hold up. Let me go find y'all some trophies. Let's see. World's best dad. World's best son. Number one dad. World's best policeman. World's best boss. All right now. World's best coach, best fireman, best sister. Come on now. Presented to the best boyfriend in the world. Congratulations to them. Where's the best wife? It seems like those didn't make it. They don't sell those. Or they got bought off. Just joking. This is epic. It's been 20 minutes since I have not seen one of these. Imagine putting this on. A bang booty. Real toys. Somebody took a chunk of your neck. Man, oh my goodness. Y'all gotta cut it out. We still going. It's upstairs. Showers, theater, barber, dentist, public laundry, chiropractor. Look at this. Chiropractor. Public. This is the largest. I get it now. I don't even think we gonna make it to it. No.
Yeah, dad's broken body. I'll get up one side, fall down the other.
This is epic. Good, you? Oh, they got sell jewelry in here. It's got giraffes everywhere in here. The giraffes everywhere. I might wait on that. The decal sticker. Ah, they got a real, like a buffet in here too. This is lit. Oh, wow. These, the famous onesies. You have footies, booties for everybody. Boy, they don't never sell Uggs in here. They sell Uggs, Pocahontas shoes. I think that was her name, Pocahontas. It's the whole nother side of the store. Oh man, we not gonna do this. But y'all see, it's a whole nother side again. It's, I guess for everybody who don't want to go to that side, you come over here. Zippos. Wow, what's this? This is cool. They got a lot of cool stuff in here. Let me see. You touch it, you buy it. Oh, this is cool. I wonder how they mitigate people stealing and stuff and trying to hit the road. Taking and these are expensive. Still in metal domes. Okay, that's cool though.
Whatever, we'll see. I just want to see.
This reminds me of like, what's that called? What's that called? Let's see. Thank you. Go upstairs to see this. They got a chiropractor up here. We might have to go see them real quick. Okay. A real chiropractor up here. Oh, probably drivers when you need to like get like a little break or something. They got the laundry. That's the thing right there. Look at it. They say they got a movie theater. Guys, tap in with the movie theater for my time. See what they got playing. Got showers and stuff here. A movie theater. 11 p.m. to see a list of our videos. They got a real theater. What's up, bro? It's crazy. What's up? After you came and take a shot, I need to take a break here for a second. What? This is amazing. Do some laundry. Back in the day, this is what you used to have to use. 18 cents per gallon. It's dope. Good, you? Man, I bet all the truckers, they wait. They're like, nah, we gonna wait till you only get so many stops. You wait till you get to Highway 80. We all know Highway 80 now. I do. I definitely know Highway 80. I know Highway 80. Do you know Highway 80? I know that Highway 80 been here 60 plus years serving America. I wonder what it looked 60 years, what it looked like 60 years ago. Come on, look. I'm gonna cheat y'all. Check out this little spot too real quick. I came in and didn't buy nothing though. too. Clean type. What is that? 4. Pull you right up to the gas. This hold on, what's this mean? And Gold West Oil Company. All right, y'all. All right, we have came to a conclusion. This was awesome. 3.5 million truckers in the U.S. If you got a truck, if you got it, a truck brought it. Uh-oh, I hear you. Let's see, This is that's the magic right there. Ooh-wee. Oh, they got a pet wash facility. I might go use that now.